Sairam, dear children, today in SS revision, we will solve one sample paper which will give you idea how to solve objectives in FA2 exam. I would like to discuss paper pattern for FA2. Question number 1. Click against the correct option to fill in the blanks. You will be getting the question with multiple choices. Okay, multiple answers will be there and you have to select the correct option by clicking on that correct option. Click against the correct option to state true or false. Again, in this question, you will be getting two options, true or false. You have to read the statement, you have to understand the statement, and you have to identify whether the statement is true or false, and accordingly you have to click on the correct option. Click against the correct option. This question is about name the following. Sentence will be given and you have to name the following. So two options will be there. You have to select the correct name by clicking on the correct option. Click against the correct option to complete the following sentences. Now here you have to click the correct option and complete the sentence. Now all the questions will be MCQ. There will be 20 questions. Okay, total 20 marks. 20 questions will be there. You have to read the question and then you have to select the answer and you have to click on that option. Children, before we begin to solve the sample paper, I would like to give you some instructions. Children, you have to be very calm. Don't lose your patience. Calm and patience are the key words you have to remember throughout the exams. Right, children? Keep your mind calm and cool. And don't get too excited after seeing the questions. Don't rush. Don't be in a hurry to solve the paper because you may make mistakes. You will be having a lot of time in your hand. Your exam will be for 1 hour. So, you can solve your paper slowly and correctly. So, let us begin to solve the sample paper. Click against the correct option to fill in the blanks. The earth gets its heat and light from the, yes, you have to read all the options, children. Moon, sun, Venus, constellation. Which is the correct option? Sun. Sun is the correct option. So what do you have to do, children? What do you have to do? This is the, what is this? Click, right? You have to click the correct option. Followed? I have circled the picture. What you have to do? You have to click the correct option. So, like this. Now, I don't have the click option over here. So, I am just putting a tick. But you have to remember to click the correct option. I hope you have understood. Okay, children, right? Okay. The only known planet with life on it is dash. What are the options? Mars, Mercury, Venus, Earth. Take your own time. Do it slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Okay? You have to click the correct option. Yes, children? Which is the correct option? Yes, Earth. Earth is the only planet with life on it. So Earth is the correct option. Dash are heavenly bodies that travel around a star. Yes, stars, planets, aeroplanes, rockets. Yes, children, which is the correct answer? You have to click on the correct answer. Yes, the correct answer is planets. Okay, so you have to tick on option B. You have to click on option B. The largest continent is dash. Yes, Asia, Africa, North America, South America. So which one is the correct answer? Yes, children, you have to think. Asia. Yes, Asia is the correct answer. The largest continent is Asia. Then fifth one, the dash ocean is to the east of Africa. Atlantic Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Yes, children, you have to think. Yes, you have to recall the map. The dash ocean, which ocean is to the east of Africa? Indian Ocean. Okay, Indian Ocean is to the east of Africa. So you have to click on C option. Followed, children? Don't be in hurry, okay? Do it slowly and correctly. Click against the correct option to state true or false. See, you have to click, okay? I have put the picture of that click sign, okay? You have to click. Read the statement and understand the statement. Take your own time. Find out the answer. Select the correct answer. And then finally, you have to click that option. The earth is like a grain of salt in the vast universe. True or false, children? Yes, it is true or false? The earth is like a grain of salt. Yes, the answer is true. So you have to click on true. I don't have the option of clicking, okay? So I cannot click on the option. I'm just putting a tick mark. But you have to click while appearing the exam. Followed, children? The twinkling lights in the dark sky are called planets. Right or wrong? True or false, children? The twinkling lights in the dark sky are called planets. Planets twinkle? No, they do not twinkle. They have steady lights, right? So the answer is false. The twinkling lights in the dark sky are stars. They are not planets. So what is the correct option? False. So you have to click on false. The surface of the earth is made up of land and water. Yes, children, this statement is right or wrong, true or false? Yes, the earth's surface is made up of land and water, right? So, the answer is true. So, you have to click on A option. Which option? A option. Okay, you have to click. A map is a drawing of a part of the earth. Yes, it is a drawing. A map is a drawing, right? It is a drawing of a part of the earth or the whole earth. So the answer is true or false? True. The answer is true. So you have to click on true. Then you have to do it patiently. Follow children, don't be in hurry. Do it slowly, don't be in hurry, okay? Do it slowly and correctly. There are 5 continents in the world. How many continents are there, children? 5 or 7? So the answer is false. There are 7 continents, right? There are 5 oceans. So the answer is false. So you have to click which option? You have to click option B. Followed, you have to click option B. Click against the correct option. The constellation, the Great Bear in India is known as, 2 options are given, Leo, Saptarishi. You have to name, okay? You have to name the following sentences. Now, how will you name it? Which is the correct name, Leo or Saptarishi? Saptarishi is the correct name, right, children? The Great Bear is also called as Saptarishi. It is called Saptarishi in India. Okay, it is consisting of 7 stars. So it is called Saptarishi. So you have to click on B option. The second planet of the solar system. Yes, you have to remember the names of the planets, right? You have to remember the names of the planets according to the sequence, according to the order, okay, which is the first, second, third, like that. Then only you can solve question like this. Yes. Which is the second planet, children? Mercury, Venus? Venus. Right. Venus is the correct option. So you have to click on Venus. Children, repeatedly I am telling you, you have to click on the correct option. Follow children and don't be in hurry. Do it slowly. Read the question, select the answer, and then you have to click the correct answer. Okay? Your exam timing is for 1 hour. So you need not have to rush. You can do it, you can solve it slowly. An instrument used to find direction. Watch, compass. Yes, you have learned, right? Yes, which is the correct option? B is the correct option. Compass is an instrument to find the directions. A book of maps. Yes, a book of maps is called what? Globe or atlas? which is the correct? A book of maps? Yes, it is Atlas. Atlas is the correct option. So you have to click on Atlas. A very large landmass on the surface of the earth is called what? Yes, children. Is it continent or is it an ocean? Yes, it is a continent, landmass, right? So landmass is very large landmass on the surface of the earth is called a continent. So continent is the correct option. Click against the correct option to complete the following into a meaningful sentences. Okay, you have to make meaningful sentences. You have to read the option, okay? Slowly you have to do it. Don't be in hurry, don't rush. Again and again I'm telling you. The sun is a huge ball of rock. B option is given, huge ball of water, huge ball of very hot gases. Yes, which is the correct option, children? C, right? C is the correct option. So what you have to do? You have to click on C. Now, the next question, Jupiter is the dash. Fourth planet from the sun, fifth planet from the sun, sixth planet from the sun. Children, you have to name the planets. First planet is, you have to name the planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. So Jupiter is the fifth planet. So which is the correct answer? Fifth planet from the sun. B option is the correct answer. So you have to click on B option. Now children, you all should know this. This is a very easy question. North is dash. It is a bottom part of a map, top part of a map, middle part of a map. Which part of the map is north side? Yes, north direction. Yes, children, you have learnt it. It is the top part of the map. Followed, it is the top part of the map is north. So B is the correct option. An ocean is dash. A very large body of water, a very large landmass, a small body of water. Yes, you have to take your own time, read the options and select the correct option. An ocean is a very large body of water. So, you have to click on A option. Okay, you have to click on A option. There are dash 4 oceans in the world, 5 oceans in the world, 7 oceans in the world. So how many oceans are there in the world, children? There are 5 oceans in the world. So you have to click on 5 oceans in the world. So this is the correct option. You have to click. Please remember, you have to click on the correct option. Now, which are the two words, or we can say magical words, that you have to remember while appearing the exam? Calm and patience. You have to keep your mind calm. Followed, and you don't have to lose patience. So don't be in hurry. Solve the paper slowly and steadily, because we all know slow and steady wins the race. So children, all the best. Read the textbook thoroughly and prepare for your exam. Thank you.